HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. It uses a series of elements and tags to define content on the web. HTML is crucial for web development. It forms the skeleton of all websites. Without HTML, web pages could not exist. Every website you visit is built with HTML. Learning HTML is the first step in web development. It is easy to learn and is the foundation for other web technologies. By mastering HTML, you can create and structure your own websites. HTML is not a programming language, it is a markup language. This means it is used to mark up text with tags to tell the web browser how to display content. HTML uses tags to structure content. Tags are keywords enclosed in angle brackets. For example, most tags come in pairs like and. The first tag is the opening tag and the second is the closing tag. Tags contain elements. An element is everything from the opening tag to the closing tag. For example, here is the opening tag and is the closing tag. The text in between is the content of the element. Attributes provide additional information about elements. They are placed inside the opening tag. For example, here, and are attributes of the tag. HTML documents are made up of these tags, elements, and attributes. Understanding this structure is key to writing HTML. It allows you to create complex and well-organized web pages. To start writing HTML, you need a text editor. A text editor is a software application that allows you to write and edit plain text. It's essential for coding because it provides a clean and simple interface for writing your code. There are many text editors available, each with its own set of features and benefits. Some popular ones are Notepad++, Sublime Text, and Visual Studio Code. Notepad++ is lightweight and easy to use. Sublime Text offers a sleek interface and powerful features, and Visual Studio Code is highly customizable with a wide range of extensions. Download and install any of these editors from their official websites. The installation process is straightforward and usually involves just a few clicks. Once you have a text editor, open it. You'll be greeted with a blank workspace where you can start writing your code. Create a new file and save it with an HTML extension. For example, you can name it index.html. This extension is crucial because it tells your computer that the file is an HTML document. This way, your computer knows how to handle and display the file correctly. Next, you need a web browser to view your HTML file. A web browser is a software application used to access and view websites. Any browser will work, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Open your web browser to proceed. To view your HTML file, open the file in your web browser. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file into the browser window. Alternatively, you can right-click the file, select Open With, and then choose your web browser from the context menu. Your HTML file will open and display the content you wrote. This is how you can see the result of your code in a web browser, making it easier to test and debug your HTML. Every HTML document has a basic structure. It starts with a declaration. This tells the browser that the document is an HTML5 document. Next is the tag, which is the root of the document. Inside the tag, there are two main sections, the and the. The section contains meta information about the document. This includes the document's title, which is set using the tag. The section contains the content of the document. This is where you put the text, images, links, and other elements that you want to display on the web page. Here is an example of a basic HTML document. HTML. This example includes a title, a heading, and a paragraph. The browser displays this content when you open the file. Section 5. Common HTML tags. HTML has many tags, each serving a different purpose. Some common ones include 2. Heading tags, with being the largest and the smallest. Paragraph tag, used for blocks of text. Anchor tag, used for links, example. Image tag, used to display images. Example, dance list tags, used for unordered and ordered lists. Example, Item 1. These tags help structure content and make it presentable. Practice using these tags to get comfortable with HTML. Section 6. Creating a simple web page. Let's create a simple web page step by step. Open your text editor and create a new file. Save it as. Start with the basic HTML structure. Next, add a heading and a paragraph inside the tag. Add an image and a link. Save your file and open it in a web browser. You will see your heading, paragraph, image, and link displayed. Section 7. Summary of key points. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of HTML. We learned what HTML is and why it is important. We discussed the structure of HTML with tags, elements, and attributes. We set up a development environment with a text editor and a web browser. We explored the basic structure of an HTML document. We looked at common HTML tags such as headings, paragraphs, links, images, and lists. We created a simple web page step by step. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for web development. They form the foundation on which more complex web technologies are built. By practicing these concepts, you can start building your own web pages. The more you practice, the more proficient you will become. Section 8. Suggested topics for future learning. After mastering the basics of HTML, there are several topics you can explore next. These topics will not only enhance your skills but also open up new opportunities in the field of web development. One important topic is cascading style sheets, or CSS. CSS is essential for adding style to your web pages, making them visually appealing and user-friendly. CSS is used to style and lay out web pages. It allows you to control the visual presentation of your site, including the layout, colors, and fonts. It controls the colors, fonts, and overall appearance of a website. Another crucial topic to delve into is JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language used to create interactive and dynamic web pages. It brings your web pages to life by enabling them to respond to user actions. It can make web pages respond to user actions, such as clicks and form submissions. This interactivity is what makes modern websites engaging and user-friendly. You can also learn about HTML5 and its new features. HTML5 is the latest version of HTML and comes with a host of new functionalities. HTML5 introduces new elements and attributes that enhance the functionality of web pages. These new features make it easier to create complex and feature-rich websites. It includes support for multimedia, such as audio and video. This means you can easily embed videos and audio files directly into your web pages without needing external plugins. Exploring these topics will help you become a well-rounded web developer. By understanding and mastering these advanced topics, you can create more sophisticated and professional websites. They build on the foundation of HTML and allow you to create more sophisticated websites. With these skills, you can take on more complex projects and showcase a diverse portfolio of work. Section 9. Encouragement to practice. Practice is essential to mastering HTML. The more you write HTML code, the more comfortable you will become. Start by creating simple web pages and gradually add more elements and complexity. Experiment with different tags and attributes. Try creating lists, adding images, and creating links. Practice structuring your HTML documents correctly. This will help you understand the importance of well-organized code. Join online communities and forums. Websites like Stack Overflow and GitHub are great places to learn from others. You can ask questions, share your work, and get feedback from experienced developers. Remember, learning HTML is a journey. It takes time and practice to become proficient. Stay motivated and keep experimenting with new ideas. Section 10. Looking ahead. CSS and JavaScript. As you become comfortable with HTML, it's time to look ahead to the next essential tools in web development. CSS and JavaScript are the next steps in web development, and they are crucial for creating engaging and visually appealing websites. CSS, or cascading style sheets, is used to style and lay out web pages. It allows you to control the fonts, colors, spacing, and overall visual presentation of your website. It controls the visual aspects of your website, making it look attractive and professional. JavaScript, on the other hand, adds interactivity and dynamic behavior to web pages. It enables you to create features that respond to user actions. With JavaScript, you can create features like image sliders, form validations, and interactive maps. enhancing the user experience significantly. Learning JavaScript opens up many possibilities for enhancing your websites, making them more engaging and functional. By combining HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can create modern, responsive, and dynamic websites that work seamlessly across different devices and browsers. These technologies work together to provide a complete web development toolkit, each playing a unique role in the development process. In conclusion, HTML is the foundation of web development, providing the basic structure of your web pages. By mastering HTML, you can build your own websites and then expand your skills with CSS and JavaScript to enhance their appearance and functionality. Keep learning and practicing, and you will become a proficient web developer, capable of creating impressive and interactive websites.